Can you sing a little bit any song if you want to? It's not your favorite song.
About my favorite song from school, if you're asking, it is in Hindi. If you can understand.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Yes. If you don't feel shy, it's okay.
Okay. Can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
ਰੱਬਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਾ ਲਗੇ ਰੱਬਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਾ ਲਗੇ ਚੜੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਵੇ ਚੜੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਹੈਰਤ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਜਹਾਨ ਵੇ ਰੱਬਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੋਏ 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 ਰੱਬਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੋਏ ਰੱਬਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਾ ਲਗੇ that's all.
Thanks so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Very beautiful. Oh,
If anybody sees India with their bad intention or something like that, our India will not get affected by it. It's like this.
where did you learn this song?
From my school,
school,
my
yeah.
school teacher. She's very nice.
What is her name?
Archana Pathak.
She teaches you music, yeah?
Yeah, she teaches us music.
Okay, say hello to her. Maybe she will see the video.
Hi मैम मुझे आपका गाना बहुत पसंद है एक्चुअली आपको मुझे मेघ राग भी सीखना था बट आई डिडंट गेट टाइम आई लव यू
For the best teacher, music teacher, yeah? How are you?
वी आर फाइन
Okay, what about
वी
you?
आर फाइन
Okay, so you guys, before we start, what is your name?
माई सेल्फ दक्षी
Okay.
माई नेम इज़ रिया
And you guys are from New Delhi?
नो आई एम फ्रॉम यूपी ग्रेटर नोएडा एंड शी इज़ फ्रॉम दिल्ली
Okay, yes.
आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली
Born here? Okay, you're born.
यस
Okay, so what brings you today here?
Actually, we just go around for walk like this. We are her house is near near it,
Okay.
so we went here. I come to her house after my exam, so we went for a walk.
Okay, so you guys study what?
Sorry,
What do you study?
I'm enjoy this place. Study and BA program.
What is that?
Bachelor's in Arts,
Bachelor's in Arts.
and I'm doing Bachelor's in Computer Application. It's my first year basically.
Okay. And how is New Delhi in general? What is your first impression and stuff like that?
No, I'm here from the start. From the beginning. When I was maybe 6 or 7, I came here. No, 4 or 5. I came here, Delhi. I lived in Delhi. Then I go to UP, Uttar Pradesh, Greater Noida. So until I'm here, it's very nice. I already came here with my parents. Now I'm with my sister.
Okay, yeah.
And same.
Something. Okay. So, okay. Let's see, guys. What do you like the most from New Delhi and why?
I love everything in New Delhi.
Okay, yes.
But the thing is, I'm not. I'm actually a student now, so I'm not allowed to go anywhere like this. So I go with my friends and family like this. I can't go alone.
You cannot go alone because your family doesn't allow you, or it's Indian culture, let's say.
Basically, it is also Indian culture. We can't go without our families or friends. We need some kind of permission for our families or somewhere because it is respect, you know.
Respect, okay.
Yeah.
And this rule lasts until you get married, or how is it?
I don't know. मेरी मम्मा ने बोला until you get independent.
Okay.
You can't go anywhere without telling us. Even though after you are independent, you should inform us even.
Okay. So independent means once you have a job and stuff like this, yeah?
Yes, you can say this.
Okay. And okay, cool. So that's a way of family tries to protect you, to look after you. And,
Yeah.
Okay.
They always wants to protect us from, you know, what's the place everywhere, you know. Everyone is not safe, even though if it is a boy or a girl. So the thing is, we are here with our family, or without we are not allowed.
Okay. But in general, it's India, like New Delhi. Are they safe?
Enjoy the Indian culture, and that's it.
Okay. Cool. Thanks so much. So, but New Delhi is in general is safe, right?
Yes, it is. Until it is crowded.
Okay. Until it's crowded. And usually, what time of the days are the best to avoid?
After 11, I think so. But if you are with someone, male or female, anyone, you can protect yourself. Or if you know some things like karate, these are, or you know how to use a knife, so you are safe everywhere.
Okay. Are you allowed to bring knives with you?
No, we are not. No, we are not. Not allowed.
You mentioned a knife, yeah? If you have a knife, right?
Yeah, but we don't carry it because we personally I think I can protect myself by my hands or something like this. I don't need knife.
Do they teach you in schools how to defend yourself?
No, mostly not. But some places teach us like how to handle a gun and so on. I also joined NCC in my school.
What is that?
NCC National Cadet Corps. मतलब for students you have to go. You need to learn some things, some basic things from police. These are things like what are the rules you should follow, and these are NCC is National Cadet Corps. It is for students who also perform on Red Fort on 26 January. It is coming Republic Day, and these are for knowing the persons ki how to be united in our India within different cultures.
Okay, so in schools they teach you how to to use a weapon, how to live peacefully with each other.
How to live with the gun. I also use. I didn't use it, but I know how to use it. That's all.
Is it allowed to carry a gun if you get
No, it's not allowed. India is not allowing anyone to carry gun without license or something. And you should have permit for that.
Okay, thanks so much. You know, what do you like the most about your culture, your Indian culture?
Diwali.
Okay, why?
My favorite festival is Diwali, and enjoy the day.
Why do you like it so much?
I love it and very excited. Diwali is coming and my favorite culture.
Okay, so what do you do during the festival? Dance, sing,
Dance.
yes.
Dance my most person and my favorite dance.
Okay. Indian dance, yeah.
Yes, Indian dance.
Okay. What about you?
I love music. Actually, I was in co-ed singing group. Okay, in my school. I love singing only.
What kind of songs?
Rashtriya singing, national singing, like very nice songs were they were.
What are the lyrics about?
It's of we didn't get नजर को क्या बोलते हैं English में?
Okay.
Actually, we don't want our India to be bad. If you, I didn't remember. Bad eyes, you can say. If you see someone and then it got wrong, it's like nazar na lage. It is like this. Ki if you see somebody, for example, anybody from India, either from India or from international.
Okay. Very, very beautiful. So it's kind of like how do you call that? Okay. Anyway, so it's India doesn't care about the others' thinking and bad wishes. Let's say, yeah.
Yeah, they do think about what others say, but they don't take it as they are in their heart, as they at the heart. Okay.
Okay. So India doesn't get affected by random thinking.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you very much. Beautiful. Okay.
That's all.
Thanks so much. And lastly, an advice for those who are going to watch this video or those who like to visit New Delhi or India.
If you want to visit India, you should visit every state. It's not like Delhi is very very nice, but you should know that every state have each state have their own speciality.
Okay. What is your favorite state?
My favorite state is Delhi itself, Delhi or Greater Noida, you can say. City is Greater Noida. If you are saying for state, it is Delhi because I'm near Delhi.
Okay, thanks so much. And you?
Delhi.
Why?
Is my favorite and my born is Delhi.
Okay, you're born here, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, guys, thanks so much. Thank you for the song. Thank you for the time. Thank you so much, yeah? Do you have Instagram?